We invite you to embark on an extraordinary voyage into the realm of opulence and innovation, where the sky meets extravagance. The remarkable $600 million Airbus A380. As we soar to new heights, prepare to be captivated by the engineering marvel that has not just redefined but elevated long-haul travel to unprecedented levels of luxury. Buckle up, for this isn't just a journey through the clouds, it's an exploration of the very essence of luxury in aviation. The Airbus A380's impressive design. It's not just an airplane, it's a statement. Imagine a colossal giant capable of taking you on a non-stop journey from Dallas, Texas to Sydney, Australia, or from Dubai to Sao Paulo. It's a true marvel of long-haul travel, unrivaled by anything else in the sky. But where did it all begin? The story of the Airbus A380 doesn't start with this magnificent beast. It starts with its predecessor, the Boeing 747. In 1970, the Boeing 747 entered service as the world's first wide-body long-haul jumbo jet, setting a new standard in civilian air travel. Its ability to carry over 350 passengers on extended flights made it a commercial success, and over 1,500 of these giants have taken to the skies. However, the 747 had its flaws, particularly its high operating costs, which led airlines to reluctantly add them to their fleets. Now, let's fast forward to the late 1980s, when various aircraft design companies began to realize that they could challenge Boeing's monopoly on high-capacity airline travel. Airbus, a prominent European aerospace corporation, joined the race in 1988. Engineers like Gene Roeder secretly began exploring the possibility of building an ultra-high-capacity airliner, and by 1990 they were serious about it. The genesis of the A380. In 1992, Airbus invited several partner companies to pitch in on the project, which was initially designated the A380. Interestingly, Boeing, Airbus's main competitor, was also intrigued by the project's potential to disrupt their business model. For a brief moment in 1993 and 1994, Airbus and Boeing even collaborated on the project, but by June 1994, Airbus announced that the partnership was off. They were determined to go it alone with the A380, confident in their ability to make it a reality, designing the A380. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of design. The early designs for the A380 were unconventional, to say the least. There was even a concept involving a horizontal double-bubble fuselage, which would have made the plane incredibly wide. Ultimately, Airbus settled on an ovoid structure, an eggshell-like cross-section that offered the right balance of space and aerodynamics. This design led to the A380 becoming a double-decker airplane with 2 decks all the way through. But designing an optimal fuselage for an aircraft this massive wasn't without its challenges. Airbus needed a flexible structure to distribute the weight and wheels capable of bearing over 1 million pounds. They also had to ensure the plane could navigate airports around the world seamlessly and quietly. Airbus worked with Rolls-Royce, General Electric, Pratt & Whitney, and other engine manufacturers to find the perfect engines. Production challenges. The production of the Airbus A380 faced numerous challenges. Each aircraft required a staggering 530 kilometers of wiring, and since Airbus customized the interiors for each airline, the assembly process was intricate and time-consuming. The software issues, configuration difficulties, and workplace culture further complicated matters. Maiden flight and entry into service. Fast forward to 2006, the year the A380 took its first passenger-carrying flight. It was a milestone in aviation history, and within 2 months, it was generating overwhelmingly positive press. Airlines were thrilled with its fuel economy and technical reliability. Singapore Airlines took the lead as the launch customer, and other carriers quickly followed suit with their orders. Features of the Airbus A380. Now let's dive deeper into the remarkable features that make the Airbus A380 stand out in the world of aviation. The Airbus A380's dimensions are mind-boggling. With a length of approximately 73 meters and a wingspan stretching out to 80 meters, it proudly wears the crown as the largest passenger plane on the planet. This immense size allows it to redefine the possibilities of air travel. In its base configuration, the A380 can comfortably accommodate a whopping 575 passengers, and that's already a sight to behold. But here's where it truly amazes. When configured for all-economy seating, this flying colossus can astonishingly transport up to an incredible 853 passengers. Imagine the scale of this flying city in the sky, providing a new level of capacity for long-haul journeys. But size is just one aspect of its grandeur. Inside the Airbus A380, you'll discover a passenger experience that's unparalleled. The cabin is meticulously designed to ensure your comfort, especially during those marathon long-haul flights. Even in economy class, the seats are notably wider than what you'd find on most other aircraft, allowing you to stretch out and relax as you soar through the skies. Now, if you're among the fortunate few traveling in the premium cabins, you're in for an opulent treat. Enclosed first-class suites greet you with the luxury of beds, offering a sanctuary for restful sleep during your journey. And for those who appreciate the finer things in life, some airlines have gone the extra mile to include showers on board, allowing you to refresh and rejuvenate mid-flight. But that's not all. There's more to explore inside the A380. In some of these premium cabins, you'll find lounges reminiscent of high-end restaurants. Picture savoring exquisite cuisine while cruising at 35,000 feet, an experience that truly redefines luxury in air travel. Now, if you're enjoying this journey through the Airbus A380, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps us continue to bring you incredible content like this. Challenges and incidents. But it hasn't been all smooth sailing for the A380. In 2012, cracks were discovered in the wing fittings, a problem that required extensive inspections and repairs, costing Airbus over $130 million. In 2014, door leaks became another issue, costing an additional €100 million to address. However, it's essential to note that despite these challenges, the A380 boasts one of the safest records in aviation history. The future of the A380. As we look to the future of the A380, we find that it faces a unique set of challenges. The demand for very large aircraft like the A380 has been lower than Airbus initially estimated. Airlines now prefer high-frequency, shorter-distance flights over long-haul journeys. The A380 struggles to compete with smaller, more modern and cost-effective aircraft like the Boeing 767 and 777. With minimal demand for aircraft of this magnitude, Airbus has faced difficulties in breaking even on the A380 program. Several major airlines have already retired their A380s, and others are in the process of phasing them out. Despite its undeniable engineering brilliance, the A380's future in the airline industry remains uncertain. The A380's legacy. However, as we reflect on the A380's journey, it's essential to acknowledge its legacy. The A380 will always hold a special place in aviation history. It pushed the boundaries of what was possible in commercial air travel, offering passengers unparalleled comfort and luxury. As we conclude our exploration of the Airbus A380, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to Opulent Oasis for more captivating content. The A380 may be facing challenges, but it will always hold its place as one of the most opulent and awe-inspiring aircraft ever created. Thank you for joining us on this luxurious journey. Until next time, keep seeking opulence in every corner of the world.